Me beating hands down. Me beating Mahama hands down. Because he has failed the North. What the vice president about me beating him. Hands down. Dr. Bawumia me beating hands down. Me beating hands down. Why are they power but 8 years in government? Any vice president work for 8 years. I was see Oko straight. Acquire president. Only 3% in the world. And no more winning election.
Ahaye Isaac Nana Obiri Yeboah Enterprise. Yede kunja papa nkwane yedele. Se ope ekunja papa abla Isaac Nana Obiri Yeboah Enterprise. Yawa kunja bia wa ha kunja bia ope bia. Egypt ekunja, Germany ekunja, Italy ekunja, ekunja bia de bia onim se ye kunja papa no e na Isaac Nana Obiri Yeboah odele with. Ofia kunja amisimu. Na wangasa ofia kunja we Egypt enye China de ni. Eye Egypt akunja. We share biano class de bianity e bia papa every Egypt ade aba we ye the man to for bo e ko je bia ope wasase we so na no bri ye bo anko na betu am China e kunja pe e na ye ni bi but e kunja bia country bia kunja ope no ye de wo se bla na be challenge yen na be bi say e kunja ope say ye ntumi enya ma wa bla ajekna na obri ye bo enterprise e wa be kan free pipe junction ho na usane first round second round no Isaac Nana Obiri Yeboah Furniture Enterprise ewo ho. Se o pese oni Nana Obiri Yeboah din kita ho bia. Fre 0558 78 2268. Ana se 0277. Tie no mani yi 0277 469933. Ekunja bia o pe no. Isaac Nana Obiri Yeboah no ntunchia. Se o pe kunja we ene ne mpa seta. No ma no fre no ma no Isaac Nana Obiri Yeboah be ma we kunja we ene ne mpa. Ekunja bia wa ha bia wo pe ene ne mpa seta. Na Isaac Obiri Yeboah nko na ebetumi ama obi e wo Ghana ha.
Aha tuma GH Ghana wahala dwumedie ena ebre aso se musonfo muniaba ekeskapa mede ebesom se de daneda ye no eno na MP for Asin Central Asabri wodi nani ahwe ye flag bearership ede ema MPP amanyoko mecha na je se ye yankasa ye papa honorable Kennedy akompreko Agyapong abusian forwarding simbi asanso aba abato eye abontin. Now this time around the wuchema na chese yeah, Ghana for said the year kind of MPP breaking the 8 and said breaking the 8 ni ebetimi aye dwuma dia na ene wo no eye honorable Kennedy akompreko Agyapong no ene betimi ama eye sa eye breaking the 8 no aye adwuma na ne nchemu na wochemu SM say de Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ekokojina 2024 election na enya de ese wo betimi aye de ede nkunde abre MPP amanyoko nom na esan say watina so for 8 years and so why vice president nkwade na chese waka amamwo no ho ebi na empempi na na kakra bi slim margin pem ena na vice president one more etimi de enya the chance of becoming president enti knows omo enhwe emma such an opportunity enye den enhwere no ye de ni gina ye papa John Dramani Mahama enima wo bebitinu hands down na wode ne nsem no etu edwan wode bobiebie enoma dodo na eso awo hu ni se we opportunity ede emma wo man Ghana wo hwe said the nkrofo bi eba ye wo mo ede wala tu wala sa eba ye benkumu enko anase nifa enko na ne nyina mu etimi eba how successful no ono believe in the practical more than na say ni ho nkoleba enti wo hwe sa nneoma na wo hu ni se wo no say ye no ede ne ma wo man ya nya de se o man yi ebetimi ede enkugo de biara ede no do for yinkoti ne nsem no emfa emra ye ba ye betos
me beating hands down. Me beating Mahama hands down because he has failed the North. What the vice president about me beating him hands down. Dr. Bawumia me beating hands down. Me beating hands down. Why are they power but 8 years in government? Any vice president work for 8 years. I was see Oko straight. Acquire president. Only 3% in the world. And no more winning election. Why would MPP want to take a risk like that? That is why I decided to come in. I don't think I'm them. Dr. Bawumia is a fantastic man. But the global downturn, any Russia-Ukraine war. Ama every government are unpopular. So why do you want to take a risk like that? That is why I decided to come to one more castle. Maybe the man Dr. Bawumia, maybe the man Alan.
Alan, there's an annual cry to say,
yeah, men are the man here. But opinion about this is the 2 years. So Benjamin and I can call pension. Jimmy Abofra. Now, make the president install. You see, say Ghana will take Dino back. And yeah, brofu, we are all getting down to work. Me president, many who here, me trust no, me believe in the philosophy. Eh, Colonel Ike Agyapong. Colonel Ike Agyapong. Yeah, call ni fa. Now, the only radio station I know in Ghana, GBC. But because he got his people involved, Ghanaians involved, say if you bonkume ko nifa and nifa na you move from left to right, you could not hear even about 20 accidents in the whole country. Because Ghanaians bought it. What you say? I say wale tu alasa. What you wale tu alasa na say? I say Ghana omuti gate mu asaba. Omuti gate mu anom de agusuro. Ensuo to anasa akogu. Agyapong say utua. Emfa ngu gata ni soro sa. Fagu garbage mu ko tugu. And your friend wale tu alasa. Agyapong say operation feed yourself. Chief executives ni chief directors wo mu fie. Obi adua body eni nyadoa. For the first time, Agyapong's time, we are spotting rice to Burkina and the Saharan, I believe in practicalism. I don't believe in theory.
The tomato ni jene kram beef Cote d'Ivoire and Burkina.
Why?
Burkina.
A real war Burkina. Omu to me here tomatoes to the brain. Near the end to me.
They say
I have a lot for Ghanaians.
They say a flag bearer no so say in the Cassia no abegina executives na so a vetting committee na we na jumamje. They say nipa be nwotwe. Na yanya mo ansa na secretary na o favorite one.
Me ni favorite. Obi ametimi na ye juma. See yes sir. E betimi a build the unity in the party. But me na my bia friend mu say sa open declaration support for group no a disunited party no. So this time I decided to stay away say obia wa MPP ni o winia me de metimi na ye juma. I'm not afraid to it. And I'm telling MPP for say mimi be ye flag bearer na mutuma na me winia. The party power will be given to the national executives and the executives. So that nobody goes to Jubilee House. Like when you small boys be ye pejuma ya no mo jijiska. It won't happen. The decision will be taken by the chief chairman and general secretary and the rest. So that I'll get peace of mind.
You na order for said ordinance and to your nature say yeah a champion bread as one nature say yeah operation feed yourself by yes said yeah and crop etimi then edudia no buy wo efie na yetimi export yeah and no buy na say yeah you didn't your makokoma Burkina for ne ho nkro ne for no believe in a yeah practicalism na mum enye theory and I will believe a year in na said ordinance some no to a year edwana just say edrume ba na yetimi exporting nyoma edema aya enkrofo den enne yetimi ekra entos edi free baby bia ya chese bia ehye wo hono na chese ye kra entos edi free no ti ye ntimi nye den e manufacture enyoma e mani enye ye anam na chese wo no hu ne say no ye ntimi mfa ye ni ntu enyoma bi eso e na ye ntimi enye bi nti say wo no wo enyoma pa edema Ghana fo e na ebiemo nso so no ye executive na ye yi wo mo no wo no ni special people bia ewo wo bia wo betimi ayeden ye beyi no ede aka eye no hu ebia no woni nipa no ebeye den ebeye adwuma ama no ayehim no ode nsem we atu dwana nam so amagana fododo na kase ampam se o ye obitimi kase oni favorite na wotimi ni wo bia eye adwuma no eboa ema eye unity ekoso ewo eye empesoaso anase even with the organization anase amanyoko enim na mo akoye se we woni favorite eno na ya na etoda edem papamu eba ni ti de won abo eka no wo mo no eye adwene na binum so won se wo kire eye ne bobre ye nhwe an ye se agro ene fom ye de agukansi ni sisi so na se wo mo to aba eyi no se Frank Tuni e de ho e na be kire se Ghana for e wa arehemu e woni mu e wo ne nsem wo kan ye anase wo mu eni eye arehemu na kire se Ghana for se yenjan emfama eye 2024 abato no eno na be kire se won rabo wo mo epe no anase wo mo empe na sa bre de eye ne nsem na wo kan to mu gya no ama no aka wo so wadwe ntwe fan semi ho anything fabra ebe to your comment section like the videos na share on all the social media platform so media ene ekia sikapa makram
ebusia wonim se abefunim de ena sesei ewoso wonim se wontimi bibia ewo wiase sesei abra wonfo abefunim de emfa nka ho wosan so enim se sesei no ebesonsum nsam so a abefunim de asan agbewiri mu ana oso daye wonti ase wodaye so ache wodaye so entimi mbem enonchi enene me kanfo prophet Dr. Abennego ediama ono ena onyankopon enam ne so na ode abefu ewremu ewo sunsun semu a ode ji nyankopon emma edifremu hawo ene mamane ene omatiti mu enonchi onyankopon enam ne so ede a new spiritual science technology ede ababontin aye freno aye castoplanto technologies meba chawo hwe prophet Dr. Abennego a owo insam adwagiri castoplanto technologies casting out negativities and planting in positivities.